Mistral AI has released their newest flagship model, which is Mistral Large. So Mistral Large performs quite close to GPT-4 on a lot of benchmarks. So here they show it on the MMLU, or Measuring Massive Multitask Language Understanding benchmark. So among other releases like Claude 2, Gemini Pro, GPT 3.5, Llama 2 70 billion, and GPT-4, Mistral Large ranks second in these benchmarks. It also shows strong performance across various other benchmarks. It is not yet beating GPT-4, but it is close to GPT-4 on the other benchmarks as well. So it is a good model to be considered for your use case. Okay. Now, why should you consider this particular model? It is multilingual. It is fluent in English, French, Spanish, German, and Italian. It's got a 32K tokens context window. It has natively capability of function calling. So it has function calling ability. And it also has something called constrained output mode. So basically you can have a JSON mode actually, right? So there is a JSON format mode which forces the language model to output to be valid JSON. So, and then function calling is also available, right? So along with this model is available currently on their platform, okay, which is the platform. It is also available on Azure as APIs. It is available through Azure AI Studio and Azure Machine Learning. You can also do self-deployment. You need to contact them for, say, very sensitive use cases with, so they provide access to their model weights. So this is something which you need to reach out them and figure out how it works, right? Now here they have given across various benchmarks on its reasoning and knowledge, and its multilingual capability, maths and coding. So they are showing the strong performance over here. Along with this, they are also releasing a new Mistral Small, which is better than their Mistral or their MOE model. Okay. So they are introducing two new open weight endpoints with competitive pricing, which is, they have the Mistral 7B and the Mistral, okay, the MOE model. Along with that, new optimized model endpoints are present, which is the Mistral Small, which has been optimized for latency and cost, okay, and Mistral Large. They are also maintaining Mistral Medium, okay. So you can actually try this out. For that, you need to actually log into this LeChat application. So I have joined over there, but currently I'm on a wait list, right? So once I get access to this model, I'll be able to test it out, okay. So it is available on our beta assistant demonstrator. So yeah, I need to wait for that. Now if you look at pricing of this particular model, it says for Mistral Large it is $8 per 1 million tokens and $24 per 1 million tokens. So this $8 is for input and this is for the output tokens which are generated. Okay, $24 per 1 million tokens. How does this compare with GPT-4? If you go to GPT-4's pricing, it says that it is for, say, the GPT-4 Turbo, it is $0.01 for 1K tokens. For Mistral Large, it is $0.008 for 1K tokens. So for your Mistral Large, it is actually say 3.75x cheaper on input tokens when compared to GPT-4. Okay, on the output tokens it is $0.03 per 1K tokens, whereas Mistral Large is $0.024 for 1K tokens, or it is 1.25x cheaper on the output tokens. Okay, so some people say that it's 20% cheaper. Yeah, that's what, 1.25x cheaper, right, on output tokens. On the input tokens, it's nearly 3.75 or 4x cheaper, right? So this is a very good model, an alternative to GPT-4, and it is available on, say, Azure endpoints as well. So if this model serves your use case and you want to do some cost savings, you can move to this particular model, okay? But it needs to be tested out. you need to test its function calling abilities, its JSON format mode, and other things, right? Unless you test it out, you never know how it performs in the real world. Okay. They're saying that some customers already have significant success, some beta customers, with this particular model. Say it's available on the Azure AI Studio, right? Some customers have had significant success. Okay, so if you are someone who is using GPT-4 for your your applications, Mistral Large is a worthy competitor now, and it also provides significant cost savings. So you can definitely check out this particular model either on their platform or on Azure AI to see whether it works for your cases, and you can take this decision of whether you want to move to Mistral AI from OpenAI. So it's good that OpenAI is seeing a lot of competition. It gives the customers a lot of options in terms of the models available, right? Not just heavily being dependent on OpenAI alone. So this was a short video on Mistral Large, the new LLM from Mistral AI. I hope this video is useful to you. I'll be putting the link of this particular blog. You can check it out. See you in another video.